Hello dear students, are you all ready for today's class? Yes, today we have come back with yet another class. I am Sandesh, presenting you the video lesson 2. As you know, dear children, before you start the class, you need to have a pen, a good notebook and also a dictionary with you, which will be helpful. As you know, if you want to watch more videos about English language teaching, you can subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Okay, now shall we begin with the class? Yes. So today's topic is about lesson 2, which is about good or bad. Okay, don't be confused that I am not going to tell you anything what is good or bad, but it is about the antonyms. Now, in this particular class, let us know what is antonym, what do you mean by the opposite words, how are they used. Shall we start? Okay. So now, before I can say, I'm not going to ask you any questions. Instead, I will let you watch a song, that is a video song. So watch this video song carefully, and don't forget, after this song, I'm going to definitely ask you some questions. Ready? Yes. Now, let's play this song.
Like us on Facebook, follow us.
Okay, did you enjoy watching the video? Yeah, it was a very good video. Now, based on this song, so video song, I am going to ask you some questions. What are those questions? First question is, try to recall the words. Try to recall some words that you have seen in the video that you have watched just now. Try to recall some words, any words you can choose, or any words you can recall from that video. So yes, if I can tell you some words, that thick, there was a word thick. Yeah, there was a word big, soft. Right? Now you just repeat some of the words that you have heard or watched about. Very good. That's very, very good. I hope you all have listed out more than 6 to 7 words. Now, a bit difficult task for you. What you have to do is, now you have to tell that set of the words. Along with 2 pictures, you saw some set of words. For example, more or less. You heard, right? Like that, whichever the sets you know, just tell them some set of the words from the video. Okay, good, bad, then big, small, soft, hard. Now your turn, you have to tell me. Okay, yes. Which are the other sets that you can recall? I'm sorry. Yes, you have recalled so many sets of the words. Now let us know what are they called. There is a particular name for those words. What are they called? They are called as the antonyms. A new word, right? Antonyms? No. For class 6 and 7 it is already there. Okay. Antonyms. These words are called as antonyms or opposites. They are opposite in their meaning. What is the meaning of antonym? It's very simple. You all used. But to define it in a simpler form, a word that means the opposite of another word is called as antonym. There is a difference between those two words. Large quantity of difference. For example, if you take two objects, one is big and small. What is the difference? Their size. Like that, they are called as the opposite words. Now look at this picture. Wealthy, another person is poor. Wealthy means one who have enough or lot of money. A poor means who has very less money. So they are the opposites. Then if you see this, what is this? One man is very cheerful, another man is very miserable. That is opposite. As you know, one is very happy, sad, cheerful, and some more examples if you want I can provide you. That open, close, buy, sell, find, lose, come, go, begin, end, or start, stop. These are the some examples. Now you started, right? Now you have started recalling those opposites from your textbooks that you have learnt in the classes the last year. Now, let's move ahead. Now you are seeing set of pictures displayed. What are these pictures? Yeah, yes, these pictures have a connection with the topics. In today's topic, that is opposites. Look at the first picture, second picture, and all the 6 pictures. And try to identify the words related to that particular picture. They are opposites. I will explain just one picture. The first one, a boy. First part of the first picture says the boy is coming down the stair. The second part says the boy is climbing up the stairs. So, what is the word you will bring out from that picture? Is up and down. Likewise, look at all the pictures carefully and try to find out the set of opposites or antonyms. So, very quickly, you need to be very quickly. Yeah. Okay, second picture, window, 2 windows, one moon and cloud, and the other one moon and star, another one cloud and sun. Second picture, door. Third, a girl. Fourth, a old lady. Another. Fifth, look at the hair. Okay, what are the words? Yes, I am sure that you all have got the words. Let us check your answers. Very good. First one, down, up. Okay, down, up. And the second one, day and night. The sun refers to day. Third one, a door which is close. The second door which is open. Fourth one, a girl is asleep. The second part of that picture, a girl is awake. Fifth one, a old lady sitting on the chair. A young lady standing in front of her. And the last picture, look at her hair. The first girl has a short hair, whereas the second girl has a long hair. So these are the sets of, these are the words which are referred as the antonyms or the opposites. Now we use these words in our day-to-day life about when we discuss about the person or thing. Okay. Next. Now a small exercise for you. Here is a paragraph. Read the paragraph silently and pick out the antonyms used in that. I think only 2 sets are there. Just read the paragraph once. Shall I read for you? Yeah. There are 4,500 different species of grass. They can grow well both in hot and cold countries. The most useful cereals such as corn, wheat, and rice and oats are true grasses. They have been cultivated by man so they can be used as food. The tallest grasses can grow as high as 100 feet. This is the bamboo. It grows in a warm countries. The shortest grasses can be found in the Arctic region. These are only 1 or 2 inches tall. Now, did you find the set of antonyms or the opposite words? Yes, exactly. The first set is available in the second line of the first paragraph. That is hot and cold. Opposite. There are also in the second stanza, in the second para, you can see the word short and tall. Okay, let's move ahead. Now, some antonyms. This is for class 7, 6 preferably, not for class 5. Some antonyms are formed using the prefixes. You know the meaning of prefix. Prefix means some letters or a word used before a root word. Prefix. An, il, ir, im, in, non, dis, miss. These are the some prefixes used to form opposite word of a word. Let us look at that with suitable examples. First one is un. Sarah is a married woman. What is opposite of married? Is unmarried. Sarah, Lisa is an unmarried woman. Like this, ill. This is a legal activity. This is an illegal activity, right? This is a polite boy. That is an impolite boy. This is a direct object. That is an indirect object. This is a regular verb. That is an irregular verb. Then with now, non. Let's see now. Non. The prefix is non. This is a returnable bottle. That is a non-returnable bottle. Honor. Honor, opposite is dishonor. Like, opposite is dislike. Obey, opposite is dis. These are the words formed using the prefix dis. Now let us see example for the words formed using the prefix mis. Fortune, misfortune. Interpret, misinterpret. Lead, mislead. Happening, mishappening. So these are some ideas where you can form the opposite of the words using the suitable prefix. Did you understand, children? Very good. Let's move ahead now. Now I will give you a small task. Supply the antonym of the underlined word needed in the sentences. So I'm not going to talk anything. Just read the paragraph and try to fill the blanks with the opposite words of the underlined word. Okay? Opposite words of the underlined word in the previous line. Shall we start? Yes. How much time do you want? 30 seconds? Less? Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Read it very carefully, children. Start. You're all reading, right? If you find any difficult word, no problem. Try to comprehend it. Okay, good. So totally there are 5 words underlined. Then you have to provide 5 opposite words of that. Okay, if you have done with once, read it again so that you will be able to understand it. Very good. Yeah, I hope a minute is up. Now let's see, which is the first word? Impossible. What is opposite of impossible? See, look at this example. Impossible. This word has been formed using the prefix im. Actually, the opposite is, if you remove im, what is opposite? Yes, possible is opposite. It was possible. Then, hard climb to the peak. To walk up a slippery cliff is not hard. What is opposite? Easy, right? Hard work and it's not easy. At one time, they wanted to discontinue. Now, did you notice? Discontinue is formed using a prefix dis. So, opposite is very easy. If you remove dis, it will be the opposite. So, discontinue opposite is continue. And unfriendly, what is opposite? Now you will, shout out like anything, because unfriendly opposite is exactly, you're right, friendly. Then reality. What is the opposite of reality? The opposite of reality is dream. Kanasu, nanasu. Like that. Okay? Did you learn it? Very good. So, this is very useful. It's very, very useful. But how can you provide this? You have to take one thing into the notice, that when you are able to comprehend the paragraph, then only you can provide. They can able to provide the suitable antonyms. If you do not know what is there in the paragraph, then it is very difficult to give the opposites of that. Now it is some of the examples. There are many you can choose from that. But some of the examples, you just look at some of the words. Okay? So import, export, stay, go, stop, go, laugh. What is opposite? Cry. Okay? Last, first, large, small. Okay? These are the some examples. And these are not ultimate examples. You all can find some more, many more examples from your textbooks. There are so many words which are opposites. Now, we have reached almost to the last part of today's class. That is home task. Yes, I'm going to give you a home task today. What is home task? Very easy. Look at this paragraph. In the paragraph, there are some words in red color. What you have to do is, you have to rewrite the entire paragraph by converting the words in red to the opposite form of it. You have to write in nutshell or in brief, you have to write the opposite of the words which is in red color and rewrite and place them in the accordingly and rewrite the paragraph. That's all. Rewrite the paragraph. Okay. Rewrite the paragraph. Very good. That's good. Now, thank you, children. And before that, let us just recall what we have done in today's class. Firstly, we watched a video song, then recall some words which were antonyms. Then we see what is antonym. We also know that. Okay, we also understood that. Then we have, we had some examples. Then we saw some pictures, and based on the pictures, you were able to identify some opposite words. After that, you had another activity where you find out the opposite words from the paragraph. Then you also learned how to form the opposite words using relevant prefixes. Then you had another activity where you had to fill the suitable opposites to the blanks. Then some examples you had. After that, you have been given a home task. Hope you will be ready with the home task for the next class. After this class, look at those examples again and do the home task. You can take the help of your parents also. Okay. Thank you, dear children. Have a good time. Bye-bye. Take care.